The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Arizona Department of Public Safety. At 6:00 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, multiple reports of gunshots in the city of Flagstaff. If you are nearby this area, do not evacuate. Shelter in place has been issued. An Amber Alert has been issued for the following counties or areas, the entire state of Arizona. At 9:03 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a desperate mother has reported 2 missing children. The first child is Daniel Cameron, unknown weight and unknown height. The second child is cannot be named at this time, weighted 202 pounds and is 5 feet 4 inches tall. The suspect has been identified as King Liang, a 26-year-old Asian male. He is 5 feet 6 inches tall and weighed 124 pounds. The children were last seen at a shopping mall. The suspect is driving a black Tesla Model S with tinted windows with no front or back license plate. If seen, call 911. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Arizona Department of Public Safety and the United States government. At 9:10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, King Liang has been creating chaos by making clones of himself, causing mass casualties in Arizona, Nevada, and California. He has also illegally modified his car to make heavily armored and bulletproof. Also, the missing children were found safe but injured at an abandoned house in California. We urgently ask everyone to shelter in place. If there are no shelter, go in a building with a basement. Evacuation is not possible. Arm yourself with a gun or knife, anything that can defend you or anyone you know. Listen to the news on your phone or radio. Make sure you have food, water, medication, first aid kit, flashlights, and any weapons. Again, shelter in place now. Your life is in danger. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the California Bureau of Investigation and the California Highway Patrol. At 12 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, multiple reports of explosions has been detected in the following counties or areas: San Francisco, Oakland, Vallejo, Contra Costa, Los Angeles, and San Diego. The explosion that detonated in the mentioned city was caused by one of King and rifles. Gather food, water, medication, first aid kit, flashlights, and any weapons you can find to defend yourself. Evacuation is not optional. If you want to leave the area that poses as a threat, do so if you want. Again, you are being asked to shelter in place.